Y'all check this out. Out here cutting some trees. Saturday. Way out in the woods. But I got this. I got this revolver. Right here. Y'all look at that beauty. Y'all take a look at that. Holy moly, huh? Holy moly, right? I got this new Wilson Combat sight on it, and I hadn't sighted in yet. And I got some bullets too. Now, I'm gonna put this out here. I'm gonna put me some earplugs in. Cause that's 357 mag, boy, it's gonna sound off. What I wanna do while I'm out here on my own, I wanna see where it's hitting. Hopefully nobody will get upset. So I'll put these in. Oh yeah. Let's see how she does. Boy, hitting right where I need it to. Yeah, y'all see that or what? Nice little gun right there, boy. That'll blow them away. Pretty slick, ain't it? Ooh-wee. Yes, sir, Daddy. So it needs a little adjusting, but that's okay. I'll work on that. I'll get it adjusted. It's awful hot out here. We in the Florida woods. Mosquitoes everywhere. So that's that. That is exactly that. I'll put that sight on there. Ooh, it feels good. It looks like I'm hitting just a little bit to the left. Seems like where I aimed at, my bullet went slightly to the left. I was aiming at the middle of that pine tree. So let's see. I was aiming at the middle of that pine tree, about 10 yards away. And I hit it right there, which is pretty damn close, ain't it? And in fact, it looks like I put two right on each other. Yeah, one here, one here. So, the boy's looking good. It's just, it's got to be a teeny tiny bit adjusted, which is what I like. I like it to be dead on, or as they say, dead nuts. I want it to be dead nuts. But anyways, I'm out here cutting some trees. Like always. Having a good time. Now I'm gonna get an old puppy and I'm gonna drive away. Now Puppy's been doing some sputtering lately. I gotta get to the bottom of that. And I'm not 100% sure on how to get to the bottom of that. I've done a couple small research, but I gotta find somebody who knows. It's just doing a little sputtering, like just a little bit of sputtering. It's not nothing major, but I have a feeling in the future it's gonna be a problem. Yeah, see, the mosquitoes out here are huge, 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 huge mosquitoes. Now, if anybody says anything, I'll tell them I came into a huge copperhead. I say, man, I was out there, big, humongous copperhead. I missed him, but I fired 2 shots. So that'll be my story. But this is 500 acres out here. They got 500 acres out here. And there's guys everywhere just working around. The person who owns this place is like a AI, like a tech. He's in the tech industry, the tech field. He's some kind of programmer. I don't know what he is exactly, but he's rich. Google. He's loaded, and there's all kinds of guys out here working. They don't know who's out here. I'm just out here on one part of the land, but 500 acres, I mean, that might as well be a damn, you could be a state park out here or some shit. So much land, you know. We talk about a spread, a nice spread. 10 acres is a nice spread, you know. 20 acres, you got a real good plot of land. Now 500, okay. So I said this is a state park level spread. But I'm out here, cut some stumps down, firing off, you know. Look at this. This is how it looks right here. And it's nice. It's real nice. And again, this is just one little part of it. Now listen, I want y'all to listen to what Puppy's doing. I'm going to be real quiet. And I'm going to let off the gas. Y'all can hear that.